Hey, what's up? You're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and today I have the new sports watch from Zeblaze company. This is Zeblaze NEO 2. You know, I like the smartwatches and fitness watches from this Chinese manufacturer. It makes really good budget watches as well as Android smartwatches. You can watch our previous videos about Zeblaze watches by the links in description. The price of the new Zeblaze NEO 2 is only $35. Is it a good watch? Let's find out. As you understand from the name, it is the second generation of sports watch. You can see the image of the watch as well as the name Zeblaze NEO 2 on the front side of the box. Inside the box there is the watch itself, magnetic charging cable, and a user manual. As you can see, I have the black version, to be exact, black strap. You can also buy this watch with orange strap. Okay, let's look at the design of Zeblaze NEO 2. You know, Zeblaze NEO 2 is quite compact and lightweight. I thought it was bigger when I ordered the watch on Aliexpress. The dimensions are 49 by 49 by 15 mm. The weight is only 78 grams. Despite the lightweight, the watch case, bezel and even the buttons are made of zinc alloy. The strap is made of leather. As I already said, it is available in black and orange colors. The strap is removable and it has a width of 24 mm. On the right side of the watch we can see two physical buttons. On the back there is heart rate sensor and charging contacts. You can also see many screws, so most likely you can remove the rear panel. I don't want to do that. Talking about display, it has a diagonal of 1.3 inches and 240 by 240 pixels. This is IPS panel, and you can see that it is good visible outdoors. Another feature of Zeblaze NEO 2 is IP67 standard. The watch is waterproof. You can take a shower or even swim in the pool with this watch. Zeblaze NEO 2 looks very good on my wrist. What do you think? Write in the comments below. So the main watch face of Zeblaze NEO 2 looks like this. There are some other pre-installed watch faces for sports or the classic metal pointers. You can also set any other picture on display using the app on smartphone. We will talk about this a little later. Swipe down from the main screen to see the digital time, date, battery level and Bluetooth connection. There are also QR code to download the app on smartphone. Screen brightness, do not disturb mode, Bluetooth connection and settings menu. In the settings menu, you can choose the theme. Actually, this is not a theme, but a watch face. There is also screen of time and a settings menu to shut down the watch. That's all options in the settings menu. You can swipe left from the main screen to see the steps, distance and calories. Swipe left again to measure the heart rate and blood pressure. Swipe down, you will find the same functions such as state, information about daily activity, heart rate and blood pressure. But also there are sport modes, sleep monitor, notifications, stopwatch, countdown, and settings menu. As you can see, the functions of Zeblaze NEO 2 are the same as many other budget fitness watches. Even the previous Zeblaze NEO had the same functions. Nothing has been added, but the interface has changed. To receive notifications on the watch, you have to connect it to smartphone. For that, download FFit App in Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then you have to create and set up a new account. After that, you will see the steps, calories and distance on the main screen. There is also heart rate, sleep, exercise and blood pressure. In the second tab, Data, you can monitor your daily activity, sleep, heart rate and blood pressure. In the third tab, you can add your friends and keep an eye on their activity. And the last tab is Settings menu. Here you can enable incoming calls, SMS notifications and more settings to choose the apps that can send you notifications on the watch. You can also enable continuous heart rate and lift the wrist screen. That's all. Finally, I should say about battery life of Zeblaze NEO 2. The watch is equipped with a 180 mAh battery, and this is enough for 5-7 days of battery life. The charging time is about 1.5 hours. So it was unboxing and full review of Zeblaze NEO 2. This is a budget fitness watch for only $35, so I didn't expect much from it. The functions are the same as many other sport watches in 2020, such as notifications, heart rate and blood pressure. However, I like the design of Zeblaze NEO 2. If you are looking for budget watch with stylish design, then this one can be a good option. Thank you for watching this video. hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.